Welcome to AKM2B. Today I'm in the CJ and I'm going to address a knocking sound that occurs from my engine, but it's not really my engine because it's this thing. And I'm not quite sure what this is called. But that doesn't matter because the name of this item will be in the video name. So this one knocks when I run my engine warm and when I've been driving a little bit, and when I'm stopping it's like tuk 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 tuk. It could be kind of like mistaken to being something else, but it's not really an issue to swap this out. I took this from the junkyard. It was like $10 and the swap is easy. But before I'm going to start up the engine, run it warm and make the sound appear so you could hear what it sounds like. And that will also be like a proof that for me that when I swapped it out, the sound is gone. We are out here at the Jeep, and I don't know if you hear it. I think you should hear it. It's like tuk 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 tuk, and it comes from here. This one makes that sound. And as you see, to swap it out, you just undo this, take out the bracket, fix the connector, and that's it. Matter of fact, this is so easy to do. So I'm going to do it here and now because I just stopped in a parking lot. To do this, you need to unplug it and pull out the vacuum lines here and here. And then you just undo the whole bracket here. And replace it with a new one. It goes in. And reconnect the vacuum hoses. And the electrical connector. I would also recommend you to put some dielectric grease and stuff like that here, but I don't have it here, so it goes without. That's all there is to it. The only one thing that remains now is to start up the engine and see if it still makes the sound, drive it a little bit and see how it works out. The engine is running now, and at the moment there's no knocking sounds or anything like that. I'm going to take it for a ride and see after a while if there's any sound occurring. We are back in the Jeep, and the knocking noise I had is not gone. It's still going on there. So from that there's two conclusions, or there is two possibilities for that. One is that the spare part I picked up is just as bad as the part I replaced. The other option is that it's completely normal for that part to make a knocking noise, because if I'm not wrongly mistaken, it's some sort of pump or connected to the vacuum or Evap system or something like that. So perhaps that sound is just normal. Anyway, I didn't have any issues with it. the car runs fine and all that stuff. So question is, why would I want to replace a part that is completely fine? And if I don't have problems, why would I want to replace parts? In this case, I just went to the junkyard to pick up a resistor for the blower motor. They didn't have that, so I came to think about that part knocking. So I thought, okay, let's pick it up, see if it makes any difference. It didn't, so learned something. Anyway, keep in touch. Anyway, whatever. Now I'm just putting out random words. Anyway, click here to subscribe. Click here to see the playlist with the Jeep how to do stuffs. And I see you soon. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.